Hi, very good evening to everybody. This is Neshish, and today I have come up with the latest MCQs for UGC NAT JRF December 2024 examination. These MCQs are really important, what I feel, because these the things are getting changed. I mean the pattern. The earlier what used to come is more on a factual basis, but now it is conceptual based. So if you are reading, or if you are uh, going dig into deep, to understand the topic, only then only you'll able to answer, first thing. And the second thing, if you are really updated yourself with the current affairs of library and information science, then you may able to answer all those questions, and I'll discuss. All right, thank you. So the question is, the first question, Z3 9.05, Z3 9.50 standard protocol was developed by, who has developed this protocol? What does it mean? What is this protocol is all about? So this is for information retrieval. It is for information retrieval. We use, if you have used Koha, you'd able to see in the acquisition, cataloging, sorry, cataloging part, that one you can do manually, the mark tags you can fill, and one you can retrieve the information from, like, Library of Congress or OCLC or WorldCat. So the correct answer would be Library of Congress. All right. So here the question comes. These questions, questions are time taking, and also if you know one or two answer, then you may able to eliminate it. So you have to understand that which one you know. So maybe Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, which I know, 1972. I'll match this. Then West Bengal Public Library Association, that also I know. That is 1979. And see, the two I know, the rest maybe I don't know. I know that what would be the option, but maybe you don't know what should be the correct option. So you may see with this two which option it comes. B3. So the B3 is incorrect. It is incorrect. It is incorrect. See, with this only we would able to eliminate that. It is B3, Raja Rammohn Rai Foundation, 1972, and A would be 4. A would be 4, and Press Registration Book Act 1867, and 3C, that is All India Public Library Association. It is in 1919 during the Lord Curzon time. And D1, it is West Bengal Library Act. It is 1979. So, well, in Mark 21 tags representing for adding resources from internet are, so which tag it is for internet resources? So it is 856 tag. Maybe you heard 100 and 150 to 50. These are the tags. So you'd able to understand that these tags are important even for cataloging. These tags are important. So here, what was the theme of 2024 G20 Library Summit, which was held in, I guess, Pondicherry, I guess, yeah. So there was a slogan, innovating library for changing world. Emphasis now, yeah, it is connecting the nation for knowledge and cultural heritage. This is the theme, your theme. So let me show you. Yeah, it was in Pondicherry. So it is connecting the nations for knowledge and cultural heritage. So are you seeing how the questions are, we are dealing with the questions. These are current affairs that you need to know. Which emerging technology is being used by libraries to create digital twins of physical collection? So digital twins of physical collection. It is newly implemented, that is virtual reality, VR technologies, twins, yeah. Which technology is used in libraries to provide secure digital lending of ebooks without violating copyrights? Without any violating copyrights. That is, I think you heard about the blockchain technology. That is for ebooks without violating any copyrights. CC++, these are the copyright, Creative Commons. Counter 5 is the most recent version of the Counter standard. One of its main feature is, what is the main feature of Counter standard? An introduction, multiple complex metrics and different resources, eliminates the book's use of data reporting, simplified metrics, and focus on consistency. It is simplified metrics with a focus on consistency across platforms. It is simplified. So the next question, the SUSI protocol is used in conjunction with the counter reports for what purpose? What is the purpose? To create ebooks, to harvest and automate the retrieval of user statistics, to manage the system. No, to harvest and automate the retrieval of users statistics. What is the statistics of users? To retrieve that. In 2024, one nation, one subscription. It is common questions. This is very interesting and important topic that you need to understand. I've already covered a video on ONS, one nation, one subscription. So it is to provide unified access to scientific and academic resources across the country. This is the correct answer. So, which major academic publisher announced the Read and Publish agreement with several university consortia in 2024, effecting open access options for libraries? Elsevier, Wiley, Springer, Nature. That is the correct option. The read and publish model in academic publishing is designed to, the read and publish model, that is somehow related to the open access. All right. So integrating subscription access and open access, publishing fees, increasing, see, separate reading and publishing cost for researchers. It is wrong. You have to eliminate. Integrate subscription access to open access publishing fees. This could be, but let's see other. Increasing subscription fees with decreasing open access publication, wrong. Limit the number of articles a library can access. No, this would be the right option. You have to always, when you don't know the answer, you have to eliminate by using your, uh, you know, uh, uh, consciously you have to answer it, because you have to, think out of paradigm. In 2024, the Library of Congress announced a major upgrade to its digital collection platform. What was a key feature of its upgrade? So the Library of Congress has announced a major upgrade to the digital collection platform. So what is the key features? Integrating of AI and enhanced search and discovery. So they have integrated the AI for enhanced search and discovery, so that the user can, they can facilitate the users with this AI technology which they have integrated. So which global organization introduced new guidelines 2004 open access publishing to support library collection and reduce subscription cost? So it is none other than IFLA. Do you know the full form of IFLA? International Federation of Library Association. When it was established? It was established in 1927, 30th September 1927. 30th September 1927. And where's the headquarter? It is in Hague. The Hague. Hague. In 2024, which African country launched its first national digital ID system to improve citizen access to government service? It is Kenya. That is the right option. Africa. It is Kenya. What does counter stands? Very important questions. Mark is important. Counter. Counter stands for in the context of library user statistics. Counter stands, it is cataloging online network transaction. No. Collection of users network transactions. No. Counting online users of networked electronic resources. Cataloging online users network transaction. I think this would be the correct option. Cataloging online users network transactions and electronic resources. I'm actually doubt on this, or this could be. I think I have to cross check. Yeah, counting online users of network electronic resources could be. I'm having doubt on both. So this could be most probably, not this. And which technology is increasingly adopted in libraries to streamline check-in check-out through touchless interaction? Touchless. So it is none other than virtual reality. No, 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 no. It is voice recognitions. It is voice recognitions. Touchless means you would not touch anything. The term all metrics. What is all metrics? All metrics is related to social media, where the publications counts, through social media. So measurement which aspects to library and information science. This is online attention and impact of research output. Which recent development in information retrieval uses AI to provide more conversational and context aware search results in library. ChatGPT and large language Boolean search, no opaque enhancements, no control vocabularies, that is also not. This ChatGPT and large language models. So in library service, NLP language processing is most effectively applied in where it is effectively applied. Designing the library layout, enhancing physical collection management, building physical catalog, improving user query, understanding its discovery system. Just to understand the user query, that is really important here. Which recent standard is used to improve data exchange and interoperability between the different library management? So that is no, the disease classification system. No, Mark 21 not, RDA no, it is big frame for the interoperability between, improve the data exchange. Data exchange interoperability means one data set can be compatible with the other data set. Interoperability. What is the main purpose of ORC-ID is academic Aadhaar, kind of 16 digit. It is academic kind of Aadhaar card for all the researchers. So in library and research management system, track book, no. To categorize library collection, no. To manage the digital archive, no. To uniquely identify authors and researchers. It is for to uniquely identify, because in my name Snehajish Pal there could be somebody else. Even the same name of my father could be possible, but this ID is very unique, that it is particularly created for individual, so that an individual, so that it can be traceable. So in recent trends, which method is being utilized in library to remotely provide 24 into 7 access in digital resources? That is cloud-based library platform. What is the cloud name? It is depends on the institutions, that what cloud they have adopted, like maybe Meghna, that is your NIC, which gives, and also mm, there are many cloud system like Amazon Azure, Microsoft Azure, and many more. So which one you have adopted? Which of the following is a significant advantage of read and publish model for library? Read and publish model. You can read and publish. Eliminate of need and digital repository? No. Wrong. Support of open access publishing without additional charges to author? This could be decreased over all subscription cost? No. Limit access to? No. This would be the right option. Support for open access publishing without additional charge to the author. In cloud computing, what service is most commonly used in libraries to manage digital resources and provide remote access? It is software as service, SaaS. How is machine learning being utilized in library technical services? For increasing the physical storage space of books, for managing the library financial account, creating 3D? No. For for increasing the physical storage space of books? No. For automating classification and cataloging for new resources? This can be. How is machine learning being utilized in library technical services, which has already discussed in previous slide. But how are voice activated AI assistants like Alexa, Google Assistants being utilized in library? To create digital archives, to replace library staff, to offer voice search information retrieval to handle the physical circulation. AI assistant Alexa, that is to offer voice-based search and information retrieval service. In 2024, which country national library launched a groundbreaking blockchain-based system for managing digital rights and licensing for e-resources? That is, I'm not sure, but that is Australia, I guess. I need to reconfirm. What significant update did the National Digital Library of India and DLI introduce in 2024 to enhance access for students and researchers? Uh, that is removal of access and non-Indian users, AI-powered recommendation and multilingual. Yeah, this is the right option. AI-powered search and recommendation multilingual supports. What is the primary purpose of discovery service in library? What is the primary purpose? Uh, to multiple service resource through a single interface? Yeah, to search multiple library resources a single interface. So what is the main purpose of discovery services? We have different interfaces like Koha, DSpace and everything, lot many databases. So it is to unified in one platform, one search, interface where you can search multiple things at one time. So that is the main purpose of discovery service. And which technology is increasingly used in libraries to manage inventory to enhance security? That is, we know radio frequency identification. That is RFID technology. Anti theft detector as well. Which consortia facilitate access to e-resources for higher education institution in India? Which consortia? It is E-Shod Sindhu. The same questions has come in UGC NET as well. E-Shod Sindhu is a consortia of InclibNet. Which type of AI tools can be used to enhance accessibility for visual impaired users library? Autonomous drones not required. Cloud storage systems not required. Speech to text converters could be, but more suitable would be optical character recognitions OCR and text to speech tools. So both. Suppose your library wants to implement AI-powered chatbots to assist user. What would be the primary purpose of this chatbot? What would be the primary? To facilitate the users 24 into 7? To replace library? Not at all. To manage the library financial budget? Not at all. To schedule library maintenance tasks? Not at all. To answer user query in real time, so they can actually uh, answer it in real time like in human. What is the significance of National Digital Library and DLI? Very important topic. You have to read it. It is created by IIT Kharagpur. Uh, it is digital repository provide education materials to all citizens to service to loan management, university level students preserve. No, wrong. These three are wrong. So it is a digital repository to provide educational materials to all citizens. What does FAIR data principle stands for? FAIR means findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. That is also important. That is, that is related with RDM, research data management, where this policy is really important principle, that whether we are following that or not. Findable means it should be easily findable. Accessible means it is accessible, and interoperable means the data should be interoperable with each other, and reusable. It can be reusable again and again. If I have published a paper, I have generated a data, so it can be used by somebody else. So, and the citation, of course, I'll get the citation. So a patron requests a specific books that is currently checked out. What should be the librarian suggest? So these questions you need to understand. Refuse to help them? No, we do not. Tell them to wait for it? No, we cannot. Put the book on hold for them? Yeah, once it comes, put the book on hold for them. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. This this is the right option. Put the book on hold. Similar book if it is, but the suitable is put the book on hold for them. A new digital resource is available but not widely used. What should be librarian to encourage patron engagement? Rely on word of the mouth, remove it from the collection, increase fines, no. Organize a workshop and demonstrate its use. That is the right option. The library is planning to expand its hours. What is the most important factor to consider? What is the most important factor? Do we need to increase staff? No. Do we need to increase uh, the capacity of the library? That means the books? No. What? It should be based on the feedback or what? Cost of utilities? No. Staff availability? No. Feedback from the book clubs? Community needs and demand. Demand, so that if demand is generated, then we can, uh, change the policy. It is based on the demand. New software system for cataloging books is used to implement. Some staff are struggling with it. What is the best solution? What would be the best solution if we implement a new software for cataloging? So we have to give the training, require staff to figure it out on, assigning staff member to help others, providing additional training session to the staffs so that staff can be well acquainted with the new adapted softwares which are being implemented in the library. What are overarching goals to first three laws collectively emphasize in context of information management? First three, that is utilization of maximum books, not precisions, not efficiency, not service. Which act in India provides for the government to receive copies of print, non-print materials for the National Library? Delivery of Act, Book Act, yeah, for four libraries, where in four libraries we send the books. One is Delhi Public Library, National Library of India, Delhi Public Library, Connemara Public Library, and Asiatic Society, and that is the four library. So the delivery book and newspaper public library act. This is the one which I was talking about. What is the primary goal of user orientation program in the library? What is the primary? User awareness. To teach user how to use the library resources effectively. To increase the membership fees? No. To promote social gathering? No. To reduce the visitors? To teach users library resources effectively. We give user orientation. So we need to, this kind of questions are, are being asked in the competitive exams, or it is very time consuming. But you have to be very, um, you have to very cautiously. You have to give the answer. So that means Koha. We know Koha is what? That is reference. No, no, LMS. That is library management software, and Zotero is a reference management tool. So that is D5, 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 D5. D5. Then Koha is 1, B1, 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 B1. So this could be and this could be. And what we know, what is D space? D space is Grammarly is writing management, that is E3. E E3. That is the correct option. And Plone is content management system. A2. 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 This is the correct option. First winner of the IFLA Green Library Grand Scale project was awarded in 2020. Which institution? No, it is Misola Public Library. Where it is located? It is in US. Here, the Misola Public Library exemplifies sustainability through the innovation program and green practice. They practice green, sustainable. They follow the sustainable goal SDG. So well, I just need to show that there was a quiz competitions. So the credit goes to a group of library professionals who I take, and I, secured a first rank. So this was online quiz. The time is very limited, so you cannot able to cheat. That is the first thing. You were able to see the accuracy that I scored 84 out of 100, and this is my name and time accuracy. That was 30 minutes, 54 questions, I guess. So I was able to answer by 20 minutes, within 20 minutes. So why I wanted to show you, I wanted to encourage you that you have to be more updated, and you need to understand the concepts really, so that you may able to answer the questions, you may able to crack UGC NET and December JRF examination. So here uh, the all it goes. So you may follow me on a Telegram channel which I have recently created, and this is my LinkedIn ID. You may follow me for latest updates. And of course, thank you so much for listening me. And I'm sorry that I could not able to come regularly, but I'll ensure that I'll come with more videos. Thank you so much.